Up here to right, here's another picture card. It looks like it might be from Jurassic Park. That gives you a little bit of an indication of where we're going to go next. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Yeah, both sides.
We're going to Jurassic Park again.
Jurassic Park films. By the way, a prop by simple definition is anything that's not.
Like this
motor, right? That's Jurassic Park 3. That's you're going to see this long green vehicle. That's the mobile lab that got kicked off the Jurassic Park. Now,
I don't know. I just closed my eyes.
Listen very closely. Listen. Yeah, you hear that scraping sound? Trying to make the mobile lab here sound like it's metal. It's actually made out of wood.
Jurassic Park.
Back behind you, see the back end of the lab there? You can see the wood switching our way back there, see? Just made out of wood. Oh, hi girls. How are you? Good morning. Oh, I love it.
Oh my God! Look at that! I know he's spit.
I mean, we're going to return to the same amount of kids we had when we started. Some of these kids look like they're being perfect size for a Spinosaurus to melt down. Let's do this. Let's head down to Mexico, everybody. How many folks been to Mexico in your lives? Oh, a lot of you. Okay. Hey, I'm going up in here because I get to visit Mexico every day. They've been working on some special effects down here for big film shoot they got down here. I believe next Saturday. I'm going to see if my friends in the booth are actually here right now. Because if they are, I bet I can get them to show us what they've been working on. Because you know what? Everybody in Hollywood loves to show their work off. But let's see if they're here first.
Ooh, look at the flowers.
Yeah, lights on the booth.
Yeah.
Hey, guys in the booth, good morning. How you guys doing? Yeah. Hey, it's me and Dino here. Hey, we brought some friends along. Can you show them what you
Nice is coming. The storm.
We'd appreciate that.
The water. Here it comes.
That's my thing.
Whoa! Ah!
You see that?
Ah!
Thunder and lightning happens very rarely.
And the water is gonna come.
Well done. Hey, fellas, that looks sounds great. Can you make it rain? That'd be cool. Thank you.
And the water. Winnie! It's coming! Look! Look at the water, it's gonna come from the house. Oh! Yeah, look at the water up there.
Don't do that either. Don't put that big pastry in the red button. Where'd you get that big bear claw, dude? I gotta get one of those. Hey, don't activate the button with a bear claw. Don't even think about it. Don't you do it?
And look at the rain.
Okay, he did it.
Here you go, the water is coming. The water is gonna come. It's gonna flush. Ah! Ah! 洪水嚟啦！洪水嚟啦！洪水嚟啦！你看，哇！啊！
We make fun of take the top recycled water.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that!